One almond. What if I told you it controls the global economy? From noble tribute to pocket snack. 1,000 years. 2 decades built a 100 billion empire. California almond crop fails. Shandong factory feels it. 1 port explosion. 26% price surge. Tiny kernels. Global economic war microcosm. Chips and soda ruled. Then health woke up. Unsaturated fats. Plant protein. Not empty calories. 300 billion RMB. 430 by 2029. Protein for gym. Energy for work. Health for age. Gen Z posts. Healthy persona built. Social currency earned. Almonds love California. Cashews need tropics. You can't relocate. 40% world almonds. Right here. Israel-Iran conflict. Strait of Hormuz. 26%. 1 week. War's price tag. Tariffs? Go through Vietnam. Globalization finds a way. 243 million to 1.2 billion. 2017 sole supplier. 2023 63%. Free trade. Zero tariff. China's new friend. Raw nuts yesterday. Nut bars today. Probiotic nuts tomorrow. Daily nuts. 60% market. Price war battlefield. Escape commodity. Find your niche. 3 squirrels. 300 million RMB. Foshan Super Hub. China plus N. Process near source. Beat trade barriers. 12 million tons. U.S. rebounds. China leads walnuts. 30% price swing. Weather. War. Demand. Capital. Competition. The Nut Trilogy. Climate change. California drought. Frost in Turkey. Rain in Spain. Yields everywhere threatened. Precision nutrition. Sleep nuts. Eye nuts. Shell to fuel. Orchard to table. Sustainability premium. Noble tribute. Mass product. Economic icon. California drip. Shandong line. Connected by 1 almond. Open your nut pack. Read the origins. There's our story. 1 nut. 1,000 stories. From snack to world. The nut metamorphosis. 20 years. Exponential curve. Within this shell, Hormuz, tariffs, frost, war. Tiny kernel. 100 billion volt charge. Choose differentiation. Or die as commodity. Manual to digital. 1 century of progress. Real-time prices. Global stream. 1 market now. America grows. Vietnam processes. China consumes. Climate versus technology. Innovation tips the scale. Farmers worry. Eaters joy. Same thread. Future farming. Vertical. Controlled. Climate proof. Shell to flame. Nothing wasted. 2025. Networked. Interdependent. Volatile. Open the pack. Find the world. The nut economy. Chapter closes. 1 seed. Infinite possibility. The world in a nutshell. Literally. Noble. Mass. Icon. 3 eras. California drought. Shandong feels it. Health currency. 459 billion. Tariffs? Vietnam says hello. Climate shifts. Markets shake. Researching history. Eating the present. 1 bowl. 6 countries. Globalized snack. Look ahead. 2030. 459 billion. 1 nut. 1,000 tables. Human and machine. Together processing billions. Growth rings. Economic history. In every nut. Farm to table. The circle complete. Conflict here. Price spike everywhere. Nutquake. Healthy post. Million views? Not influencer. Hand to machine. Scale changes everything. Sustainable seal. Premium unlocked. Flood to drip. Water saved. Future secured. Nuts at sea. Right now, crossing oceans. Almond to butter. Value addition. Connected. Interdependent. 1 nut system. Boomers to Gen Z. Nuts for every age. Crack open. Find the world. Burlap to biodegradable. Packaging evolution. Historian becomes history. Nuts remain. Nut belt constellations. Economic light, story ends. Nut weights, from Earth to cosmos. One nut's perspective, the end. Trade goes on,